Okay, I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but we're gonna try to film this. We're gonna glue on these elbows. Alright, let's see if we can do this without knocking the phone into the hole. Put a rock down there to keep the pipe off the ground. Pull the dirt off. Alright, so put some glue in the hole. Put some glue on the pipe without getting it on the other pipe, which I'm sure I will. There you go. So you put glue on both sides, push it on there, hold it together for a few seconds, and you're good to go. I'm not going to glue on the coupler or the uprights because I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to do that yet. This is what I used. Good for all types of PVC pipes and whatever. So it's easy. I had second thoughts about gluing this all together. I only glued the one elbow on. Everything else is just dry fitted to keep it dry. No water in there while I'm working on it. The reason I didn't is because the existing electric's over there, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to move that or extend this to get them connected when I'm all done. So this will just be like this to keep it dry and whatever. The other side is the same, kept, and then it'll be extended.